Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your first Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Estima. Back with another video. As you guys know, so 2 days ago, I think yesterday or 2 days ago, whatever, they brought out the new Samsung S20 series and the Buzz Light, which was really nice, especially the big boy of the day, which I named. So the big boy of the day is always the Ultra. That Ultra is my favorite for now, so for sure I love the black color, and we are going to talk about some specs, my thoughts, my impression on the video today on my channel SD Master. You know how it does, so stay subscribed, and without further ado, let's get into this video. So we are talking about Samsung S21 and S21 Plus, which doesn't really make a difference. They don't have any specs than new chipset and new design. That is all that is in the phone. There's nothing special, there's nothing you have to see. The S21 comes with a 6.2-inch display, adaptive switch from 48 to 120 Hz. It comes with a big 4000 mAh battery, which is very nice. We have material which is polycarbonate, which is also called plastic. So we have the price for that plastic they're giving you. They reduced the price to $800, which is really nice. We have the processor, which is either here in the UK we are going to get the 5nm chip, which is the Exynos chip, or you are the US to get the Snapdragon chip, and the storage is 8GB of RAM, and the highest storage is 256GB of ROM, which doesn't have expandable storage, so you are not getting any expandable storage, and also you are not getting charger in the box. That's for all of the lineups. For the S20 Plus, we have a 6.7-inch display, a little bit bigger. For the battery, we have a 4800 mAh battery, which that is already a power bank. That's really large. We have a matte finish over glass, so that's the difference. Plastic vest glass. We also have the price beefed up to $1,000, so we are paying $1,000 for that glass. We have the same chip, Snapdragon 888 chip, and the same 5nm Exynos chip. Also for the storage, you have 8GB RAM and the same as the above, 256GB as the highest and non-expandable. So now we are talking about the Ultra, because the Ultra is the main big boy. The Ultra is the one that I like. This Ultra is the one that make a big difference. So any phone lineup they make now in every device, the main changes of the device that they push all their work into is always the Ultra. Like last year Ultra was the best. Last year Note Ultra was the best. Last year iPhone 12 Pro Max was the best, because that is where they put most of their features and most of the things that you will really enjoy in. So we are going to talk about the Ultra, which has a nice display as the other. We have the price for $1,200. We have the design, which is this matte black finish. That is my favorite color, so dark, and I love matte black. It's really nice. It has a 4-camera setup. We have the primary lens, we have the ultra wide, we have the telephoto lens, and we have another telephoto lens. I think I was going to say macro lens. Unfortunately, the ultra wide works at your macro lens, so forget that. So we have this ultra wide lens that also can work for your telephoto lens, so for your macro lens, and we have 2 telephoto lens, which is 3x zoom and 10x zoom. So if you are zooming in, zooming, you still get a crispy shot, and it's up to 100 times zoom, so you can still have that feature of 100 times zoom. So what I see is that as last year, which they made the not last year, I think 4 years ago or 3 years ago, which they made S8, and they just made S9. S9 was like, they corrected all the mistakes and everything about the S8, like putting the fingerprints at a better spot, making sure that the phone screen looks better, putting other features, correcting some other issues with their own S8, and beefing it up as a new Samsung flagship for, I think, 2018, that they brought the S9 Plus and S9 and making more features. I think that is what they did this year also. It's just the same, just correcting their mistake of last year in their S series and making sure that it's a better build and very good phone and have a special feature, which is the pen. Also, we have this director mode in your camera, which you can be able to like record with all cameras, which is really nice. You can record the selfie too with the back camera, and you can also record with all the cameras at the back. You have all the choices to use. We have enough specs. We have everything that's a normal flagship ultra phone should have. We have Quad HD display finally at 120 Hz, but it's adaptive, so it will not waste the battery. Also, we have a big 5000 mAh battery, which is very nice. And also it has another feature for the AI blue filtering, which like reduce the blue lights to like help your eyes, so that it helps your eyes so that you will not be seen double. Also, we have a 15 watts wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, and unfortunately, as I said, adapter doesn't come in the box. It's only the phone and manuals that come. So if you have any other charger, try to keep that very well and keep it very well. Exactly. Also, the Ultra doesn't have expandable storage, but it has 512 gig of internal storage, which is like a compensation. So that's why I say if you want to move from any other device, maybe you like moving and making any update, maybe you are really wishing to get another phone, go for the Ultra. That is where you see the most different. So but you can buy the charger on their website, sorry, at a more lower cost, and the phone is really nice. All these things, they make sure that they have a reason for doing this, a reason for doing each of those things that they are removing. For example, we have the S20. So we have the S21. Sorry, when you buy the S21, pre-order it, you're getting a free AirPods, which compensates for no headphone jack. And when you go on their website to buy the charger, you can see it for a cheaper amount. So I think that is really nice for Samsung to do. So we also have S Pen support. As I said, we have two pens. We have the S Pen and the S Pen Pro, where the S Pen is just for writing and the S Pen Pro is just having the Bluetooth features. I don't know how the S Pen Pro will actually charge, but the S Pen is really nice for you to have Jot, and also for you that loves the S series, you can also have that for $70. So it's at the side of the phone case. So it comes with this type of case that can go in, because there's no actually a built-in place you can put the pen like the Note, so that is just different. So I don't think the Note is going anywhere. So I'm hoping that by this ending of this year, or by this year, you'll see a new device, like a new Note coming. So I think that's all you have to know about the specs. And now my impression is that the phone is nice, the phone is okay, you will love it. It has a 5000 mAh battery, which you'll really enjoy. And because I cannot do the review, I don't have the phone at hand, I can't afford it. So this is all I know about the phone, and this is all I will say, that if you are just coming from an S20 phone, S20 Ultra, just go for the S21 Ultra to see a big difference and to see a good use of your money. But if you are just coming from a little S9 or S9 Plus, you can go for the S21, because you will see a lot of difference from your other phone. Different people will be coming out to the review video. So stay subscribed to my channel, and thank you guys for watching today's episode. Peace.